Hello everyone, my name is Dipali Hatwar and I am from Nagpur division. I have completed my graduation in engineering from College of Engineering and Technology Akola in 2023. After that, while searching on a job on job portals, I came to know about Evision Technoserve. Evision Technoserve is an IT consultancy and recruitment company, and I joined Evision Technoserve where they provided 45 days of full day job internship. In this internship, I have learned about networking, virtualization, Windows Administrator, CCNA, ITIL, and cybersecurity. After completing 45 days of internship, today I got placed in Precision Infomatic Private Limited company with a package of 2.2 LPA. This achievement is possible due to a Evision Technoserve. It had great experience with Evision. Thank you, Evision.